Hello students, in the previous video we have a discussion about communication and what are its components and what is computer network and its different types. In today's video we are going to discuss about network architecture. So a network architecture basically defines that how the different devices are connected to each other and how they are going to access data. So we have mainly two types, peer-to-peer network and client-server network. So in peer-to-peer network, all the devices have the same kind of responsibility and there is not one single computer who's going to control each and every resource. All the devices are going to share data with each other. So this kind of network works best in the small environment where you have to just connect 9 or 10 computers with each other, and local area networks use these kind of networks. Client server network. So in client server network, your one computer or one or two more computers are going to act as a controller of resources, and whenever you have to access the resources or whenever you have to access the data, then you have to send a request to the server. Then that server, after processing your request, is going to give access to the data and information. Server, it is also called the host computer, that is going to control your hardware and software, and when you're connected to the server, then you can access its application, its files, and whatever the resources available there. So dedicated servers are the servers that performs specific tasks, and according to the task they perform, they have given a special name. So file server is going to manage your files and stores your files. Your print server is going to manage your printer and your document printing settings. Database server, it stores and provide access to a database. So what is a database? A database is a collection of related data. Okay, suppose your school have a student database where all the details of students are there, and when you want to access to your details, first you have to connect to the database and then you can access your files. Network server, it is going to manage the network traffic. And web server is a computer that delivers requested web pages to your computer. Suppose you're using Google, and whenever you enter something to search, then it connects you to the Google server, and then after processing your request and whatever you have written for searching, it is going to show you the results, whether it will be images, videos, or links, or whatever it is available in their server. A client is a computer system that relies on a servers for all the resources, or basically a client is the one who's going to make a request to get access to the resources. Network topology. A network topology, it defines the structure that how the devices are within a network and how the devices are going to connect with each other. So it has two levels, physical and logical level. So your physical level specifies how the computers are connected physically. I mean how the computers and cables and what is the position of your connector, all this. Logical. So logical level refers to the path your information is going to take to reach its destination. So you can say in the physical topology you can only see that how the computers are within a network, but in logical topology it actually shows that how your electrical signals are going to travel and what path they are gonna take, or how many applications they are using, or what is the volume of your information that is going to transfer over a network. So we have mainly three kind of topologies that we use, that is bus, star, and ring. Bus topology, as the name bus is given, your all the devices are going to be connected connected in a bus. As you can see here, your all the three devices are connected with a single cable, so it is also called a linear network. And it is going to transmit data and instructions in both the directions, either in left or right. Star topology. So in star topology, your one hub is there, and that hub is placed at the center, and all the other nodes are connected to that central hub. So whenever you have to, it is somehow like a client server architecture, that whenever you have to access something, or whenever you have to find some information, then first you send your requests to the hub, then your hub is going to transfer your requests to other resources. Ring topology. So as you can see here in the ring topology, a circular chain is there. So one device is connected to two another devices, and they are going to make a circular chain. So information can be transferred either in clockwise directions or in anti-clockwise direction. And whenever you have to communicate, you can communicate with your two neighbors that are within your reach. Network hardware. So there are some devices which are required to create a network. So first of all, we need computers, or it can be the desktop computers or the portable computers that we are going to use. Then we have network interface card. Your network interface card is going to act as a mediator between the computer and the physical medium, such as cables that are you going to use to for your data to travel. And there are some connectors like hub, switch, and router. All the task of these three connectors is to connect the multiple devices with each other. And whenever you have to give data, then these devices are going to act as a router, or they are going to specify a route, a path through which your data can transfer. So in all these three, your router is the best one, because it can connect multiple computers together and transmit data to the correct destination where data is supposed to go. Like it acts as a junction that is going to connect your LANs and WANs together. So we have learned about the different architectures and different topologies